Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to add your social club account to Steam. So let's dive in. First open Steam and launch any Rockstar game you have purchased through the platform like GTA 5, RDR2 or something like that. And once the game launches, the Rockstar Game Launcher will pop up. Sign in with your Rockstar Game account credentials. And if you're not logged in, you will be prompted to verify your account. Then check your email inbox for a verification link from Rockstar and click it to verify. Then once verified, return to the Rockstar Game Launcher and play on Steam. This will link your Steam account to your Rockstar Social Club account. And that's how you link to your Steam account with your Rockstar Social Club account. And remember, only one Rockstar Games account can be linked to a Steam account. So make sure to choose the right account for that. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.